Good morning students, welcome to another video. Today I am starting a new chapter which is emphasizing image. So in this chapter we have photos which need some emphasize certain points, some persons. You have to highlight the person in the group of it. So let's watch the video, and rest part I will do later. Okay, just see the video.
Hey Pradeep, do you know that I'm making a presentation on the Gram Sabha topic that shows how Panchayati Raj functions in rural India? That's great, Saira. I want to use an image showing a Gram Sabha meeting in progress. I also want to highlight the Sarpanch. Can you help me, Pradeep? Sure, Saira. You can do that using Photoshop CC. Great! Can I also label the highlighted image of the Sarpanch? Sure, Photoshop CC allows you to do that too. To highlight the Sarpanch, follow these steps. Open the Gram Sabha image.jpg file into the image area. In the Layers panel, rename the background layer to GS Low Brightness. Right-click the GS Low Brightness layer and select the Duplicate Layer option. The Duplicate Layer dialog box appears. In the As box, enter GS Original and click OK. From the Layers panel, click the Indicates Layer Visibility checkbox of the GS Original layer. Click the GS Low Brightness layer. From the Image menu, click Adjustment and select Brightness Contrast. The Brightness Contrast dialog box appears. Select the Use Legacy checkbox. This helps to reduce the brightness of the Gram Sabha image. In the Brightness box, set the brightness to -100 and click OK. After reducing the brightness of the bottom layer, we need to add a layer mask to the upper layer. From the Layers panel, click the GS Original layer. Select Sarpanch using the magnetic lasso tool. From the Layer menu, point to Layer Mask and click Reveal Selection. The layer mask is added to the layer. From the Layers panel, select the Indicates Layer Visibility checkbox of the GS Original layer. The image of Sarpanch is highlighted. Layer mask is a non-destructive form of editing that allows you to hide or show the selected portions of a layer or the entire layer.
Okay, in this image we highlighted the Sarpanch, and in the nugget we have when the layer contains a mask. The layer mask thumbnail appear in the layers panel between the layer thumbnail and the layer name. As you hide or show the portion of a layer, the layer mask thumbnail mirror the changes you make to the object. So what the language is written, I will do in practical in the next coming videos. Okay, so stay.
Now we will add text to the image of the Sarpanch. To add text to an image, select the Horizontal Type tool from the Tools panel. The Type tool options are displayed in the options bar. Click the mouse pointer near Sarpanch in the image to add text. Add the text, the Sarpanch, to your image. Select the text added in the image. From the Set the Font Family list, select Times New Roman. From the Set the Font Size list, select 14 point. Click Set the Text Color box. The Color Picker text color dialog box appears. Click the green color and OK. After adding text to the image, you can save the image. To save an image, follow these steps. From the File menu, click the Save option. The Save As dialog box appears. In the File Name box, enter The Sarpanch. Click the Save button. The file will be saved as thesarpanch.psd. You can save the file to other formats as well using Adobe Photoshop CC. To save the file to JPG format, click the File menu and click the Save As option. The Save As dialog box appears. Under the File Settings section, from the Save As drop-down list, select JPG. JPG is widely used as a preferred common format for saving images. Click Save. You can also save the file to other formats using Export option. To export the file, in the File menu, click Export and then Export As option. The Export As dialog box appears. Under the File Settings section, from the Format drop-down list, select PNG, JPG, GIF or SVG to save the file. Thanks for your help, Pradeep. Now I can make my presentation better. My pleasure, Saira.
Okay, this is end of the video. So watch this video, and I'm sending some MCQs and true false. Write in your copy and send it to me. Okay, thank you.